3 powerful Python tips to level up your coding skills. Tip number 1.
Lambda functions. They are the tiny anonymous functions you can create in just one line of code. Traditional functions require multiple lines with def keyword, a name, and a return statement, but Lambda functions condense all that into a single elegant line. Example: square assigns lambda x for x into x. It can have any number of arguments, but a single expression. It pairs with built-in functions like map. For example, to square every number in a list, you can write squared assigns list of map of lambda x colon x into x comma numbers. It makes the code more concise and expressive.
Tip number 2.
Two powerful built-in functions, all and any. These functions let you to check conditions across entire collections of data in a single line. The all function returns true only if every element meets the conditions, while any functions return true if at least one element does. To check all the numbers in a list are positive, we simply write all positive assigns all of x greater than 0 for x in numbers. To check if any number is even, has even assigns any of x mod 2 equal to 0 for x in numbers. This function works with any iterable and any condition. You can even use them with strings, like checking if all words in a list are longer than 3 characters. They replace complex loops and conditional statements with clean readable one-liner that clearly express the intent.
And tip number 3.
Star args and double star quarks. The Python's way of handling a variable number of arguments in functions. With star args, your function can accept any number of positional arguments, which becomes available as a tuple. With double star quarks, you can accept any number of keyword arguments accessible as a dictionary. This pattern is especially useful when creating the wrapper functions, building flexible APIs, or when you don't know in advance how many arguments might be passed. In our example, printinfo can handle any combination of positional and keyword arguments, processing them differently based on their type. This kind of flexibility is what makes the Python such a powerful and adaptable language.